In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an SSL certificate to your WP Engine site, a crucial step for any website owner who values security and user trust. First, let's get started by logging into your WP Engine dashboard. This is your control center where all the magic happens. If you haven't logged in before or recently, simply head over to the WP Engine website and use your credentials. If you encounter any login issues, remember to double check your credentials, or you may need to reset your password. Once you're in, you'll need to select the site environment where you'd like to add the SSL certificate. WP Engine provides options like production, staging, or development. Depending on where you are in the process of building and launching your site, choose accordingly. Typically, SSL certificates are first applied in the staging environment for testing, but applying them in production is crucial for all live sites. Next, navigate to the SSL area within your dashboard. You'll want to select Add Certificates. This step is essential, as it takes you to the heart of the SSL installation process. Here, you're presented with options to obtain your certificates. You'll likely be choosing between getting free certificates and uploading custom SSL files. For those looking to quickly secure their site without extra costs, click on Get Free Certificates. WP Engine collaborates with Let's Encrypt to offer these at no cost, making SSL certificates accessible for small businesses and personal websites. Selecting the free Let's Encrypt SSL option and clicking Get Free Certificates will automatically initiate the installation process. Alternatively, if you have already purchased a custom SSL certificate through another provider, you'll need to upload your certificate files manually. This includes your CRT, key, and CA bundle files. Be sure these files are formatted and named correctly to avoid any upload errors. The manual upload method is perfect if you require a particular level of encryption or have specific vendor preferences. Once your SSL certificate is chosen or uploaded, it's time to apply it to your website. Find and click the Apply Certificates button. This action binds the SSL to your domain, initiating a secure connection for incoming traffic. After applying your SSL certificate, it's important to fine-tune your settings for optimum security. Head over to the SSL/TLS settings and enable the Force HTTPS option. This setting ensures that all your website traffic is encrypted, safeguarding user data and enhancing SEO by preventing mixed content warnings. By following these steps, you've successfully added an SSL certificate on WP Engine, cultivating a safe and trusted environment for your site visitors. Be sure to revisit and renew your SSL certificates as needed to maintain ongoing protection. Thanks for watching.